Hi guys, we're going to our vlog. We're going to FB Farm.
I will put Sky in his car seat in a while. Are you excited?
Vacation starts now.
So first stop, coffee.
Coffee.
Good morning, welcome to McDonald's. Referring to your orders,
Coffee na.
please.
Kapat ka-order sa brewed coffee.
Kindly check the monitor, sir, if you get your orders correct, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Proceed to first team na for payment. Salamat.
Thank you. This will be
Coffee.
Something.
We are building our own coffee shop here. Check your tires.
Robo ka.
We bought chicharon for
Manok ba na?
ASMR. Chicharon. Nadi's Chicken Hub. There. Here. So it's time for lunch. What do you want to eat? Hi! Hello! Don't anoy, kuya. Bihon! That's our lunch.
for Gabi only.
Kao na.
Gusto lang din siya. Ikaw ba?
Wapahan jugo sa kong ate basta ihayban yang hair. Ano naman?
Kailangan mo sa eyebrows mo.
Love sit properly so that you will not feel dizzy. It's gonna be a wavy road.
Uy! No, hinaya, Margie.
Wow, is that the Mount Matuto? So this is their Rainforest Cafe. Don't run. Pag-enjoy sa imong kinabuhi samtang single pa ka. Okay?
Kalbo sa lang, kalbo.
Welcome to Bajang House. Complimentary water, merong coffee, kettle, and then come here sa first room. So, simple bedroom lang. Queen size. And then meron lang mirror dito. Mirror. And then next room tayo. Let's go to the next room.
Let's go to our house.
Simple receiving area. Yan, oh. Kuya, eat na with Lola, please. It's time to eat. So, this is the other room.
Sa likod.
Second room.
Sa likod.
So, same lang pa rin. Bed. And, merong mirror dyan. Okay, let's go to the other room. So, hallway. Meron silang hallway with beautiful light. Come on. Go here.
Wow.
Dito. Meron silang sink. Mirror, sink, bathroom. Let's pick. Tingnan natin. Oh, simple bathroom. Third room. Come on, let's go. This is their third room. Same pa rin, my bed and mirror, same furnitures lang. No?
SD cat.
Yes, meron silang guest kit. Towels.
Come on.
So, what do you have there, Kuya?
I have SD fan guest. Open it.
Okay, open please. Brush next.
Put up.
You have
So.
soap and then
Shampoo.
shampoo and then
Toothpaste.
okay.
Let's put them all up to the bathroom.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
I can't go.
Bro, maglaan.
So from up here on our room house here in SG Farm, our view is this one. The souvenir shop. And then you can see the other cottages. That one. And then in that one, I need to have a photo there. I need to have a photo there also. Complimentary tablea. Thank you. So I'm back and I wanted to go here. Let's go up. So this is the view up here. I'm up here. So that is where we're staying for tonight. Here. Wow. Beautiful. Let's go down. So I went up there na. What's this area? 1938 Kalesa and Relationship May Hangganan. Magiging forever lang kung pareho kayong lumalaban. I love local shop. So let's look around. They have bizcocho, honey. Ang dami nilang bizcocho. Oh? Nana chips. Ang dami-dami nilang local produce. Super dami. Ang galing naman nila. There's souvenir shop. There's souvenir shop. Oh, earrings. Merong magnets. Nakalagay SG Farm. So, let's see how much is this. 450. Shirts. Oh my. How much is this? 320. 279 for the white. Cute. 420. Bags. Sling bag. They also have bayong. Meron ganito si sister. So, this is the place. Ang cute lang. So, in a bit, I will wake them up. What's this? This is a ref magnet. Peace and Joy, SG Farm. Wow! Bamboo book. 250. There, Kalesa. Tingnan nyo ang flowers. Ang ganda. That's not fake. That's real. Let's go up. Kaway-kaway.
Video po. Picture.
Ay, mga tiyang mga Kuya, come here. Wow!
Mabuhay! Dalhin ang buong pamilya at mga kaibigan sa harap ng Rainforest Cafe at sama-sama nating gawing espesyal.
Bahay, kubo, kahit unti. Ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay hindi sari-sari. Singkamas at talong, wag mo na sa aking itanong. Sigarilyas at mani. Pansinin mo sana ako dahil ako ang nasa iyong tabi. Sitaw, bataw, lagi mong tatandaan na ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay umaapaw. Patani, kundol at patola. Lagi mo sanang tatandaan na para sa iyo ang aking mga tula. Kahit mga mata ko'y gusto ng lumuha. Upot kalabasa. Ang isa dyan ay pampalinaw ng mata para makita mo talaga kung gaano ka sa akin kahalaga. At saka meron pa, labanos at mustasa. Gusto kong malaman mo na sa'yo lang ako umaasa. Sibuyas, kamatis. Hindi ako bumabase sa kutis. Alam kong balat sibuyas ka, kaya nga iniingatan kita. Bawang at luya. Hindi ko hahayaang ikaw ay lumuha. At sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng ganda. Parang ikaw na sobrang nakakahalina.
Kahon ang pagkakataon.
Ikaw ang nagpapasaya ng aking umaga. Kaya gusto kong ikaw ay makasama hanggang sa pagtanda. At hinihiling ko na sana, gusto mo ba akong makasama hanggang sa pagtanda? Mahal ko.
Dahil ako ni by day.
Sama-sama natin ipagpatuloy ang pamamagitan ng Mount Nakul.
So I got 2 numbers na. So here we ordered that one. Kikirik Guyabano ice cream. Karon na talaga niya nila kung magkaon. Kung man ano naman tayo. I ordered kikiri guyabano. So let's taste.
Look what I taste. I taste.
How about you? What did you taste?
This one coffee again. But
It's passion lemon. It's not coffee, kuya.
Passion.
How do you like? Do you like it?
I love jelly. The jelly inside.
Jessica, kaluwi sa mong anak. Kaluwi na lang yun sa di ka pa. Bully.
Bully. Again.
Lights kati mapuli ka pa mo.
Si Kaiba pag... Who is waiting for me? Hi! Is Sky sleeping? How about Daddy?
No.
Where are you going? Where are you going?